In this video, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Next, click Settings in the bottom left corner and then select Payments. After that, you'll enter the Payments page. Scroll down until you find the PayPal section. Now, look at the PayPal area and check its status. If your PayPal account is already connected, you'll see a green indicator showing that PayPal is active. If PayPal is not active yet, click the Setup button in that section. Shopify will guide you through the PayPal sign-up or connection process directly from the PayPal area. Next, follow the instructions provided by PayPal and Shopify. Sign into your existing PayPal business account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. After that, complete the authorization process and return to Shopify. Now, go back to the PayPal section in Payments and confirm that the status has changed to active. You should see the green active indicator showing that PayPal is successfully connected. Finally, save any remaining settings and you're ready to start accepting PayPal payments through your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect PayPal to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.